What would be your like columns?
Well, I just did it
Oh, the
how
way
they
it
have it.
is? Oh, okay.
And in the reading it says it doesn't matter which way you do it, because either way you put it in, it'll come out the same. If you
Yeah.
put the parties on the rows and then the in favor or against for the columns, or switch them up, you'll still get the same results. So it doesn't. Okay. Do you have that done?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So then you gotta like weigh the, what is it? Weigh cases or something?
Uh, I don't think so.
Hmm.
That was for SPS, I
Oh,
thought. I'm looking. I think let's see, 250. Let's see, I'm not getting the right answer.
let's see. Um,
250, 50, 120, 80.
yeah, I'm having trouble. So, did you say you didn't get the right answer?
Oh no, and I plugged it in and asked for the chi-square statistic.
Yeah.
Mine's different. Did you get the right one?
No, me either. I'm trying to.
I got 16.93 and it should be 33.96. I mean, it's pretty easy. I thought you just put in your numbers that you have your information here and plug them into the cells.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I think you're supposed to. I know it said like it doesn't matter how you put it, but um, I think there is maybe a way to do it.
Because it said swap other considerations, swapping the row and column variables in section 4.
Mm-hmm.
It says redo the chi-square test of independence for the chiropractic care data. Use motivation as a row variable, then compare the degrees of freedom. So you're switching the columns and the rows, and it says that when you do that, they both come out the same. Because I did that, I put in the information for this chiropractic deal. Just let's see. Wait a minute, let me see here. Yeah, I put it in just like they had it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to set it up.
Because you look at it, it makes you wonder if they've given you the wrong information.
Mm-hmm.
Because in favor of, because like it asks you, are the requirement tests met? And when you go over to the answer page, it says expected cell count for row 1 column 1 is 2. Row 1 column 1. I don't, the data's not right because there's no, it's 250 and 50 and 120 and 80. There's no 2 places,
Yeah.
250 plus 50 is gonna be 300. Like it's, if it was 252 plus 50, I could see where they're getting a 2 and an extra 2 in there.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, I know we know how to do it.
Yeah.
You just put it in there, okay, and then you look at the row, at the count of them all. Oh, wait a minute. Mine's right.
You got it right?
I clicked, because I put it in, and that cell was still highlighted from where I put in the last number. I had to move my cursor so it could finish doing the math.
Oh, okay.
Like I put in my last number of 80 and I just left it there. I had to move my cursor and click somewhere else so it could configure it all.
Oh, let's see.
But I'm still confused about the sum of the rows and stuff.
Yeah.
Of why they got expected cell count. So I see where they're supposed to be getting that information. Oh, wait a minute. I see it. It's right there. Yeah, I just had to, it wasn't showing it because I didn't put my cursor somewhere else. It's got them all figured up right. The expected. It matches up. Is yours working?
So you just did it. How'd you do it exactly?
Okay. So did you go to the chi-square tab?
Yeah.
Are you okay? So just how it's written in the home or in the page.
Wait, on the chi-square tab?
Yeah.
Let's see. You're using which like
The
thing
Excel. It kind of, you remember last time we did the two proportions,
Yeah.
one proportion.
Where's the cheese? Do you have to like download it again or something?
No, like go back into your Excel, to your Excel program, and just go like you're going to open up a file, and it should be there. Because you used it last. It's the last thing you should have used. I mean, unless you use your Excel all the time.
Okay.
I just opened up my Excel, and it's right there. It's called Categorical Data Analysis. Because we already downloaded it the first time.
Yeah.
So you should be able to just go back up and open it again.
Yeah, I have it open, but all it gives me is the one proportion, two proportions.
There's no chi-square.
No.
Okay, well, I remember him saying in his video that you gotta be sure you download the right thing. So
Let me see if I see it in here.
like you needed the right updated version.
Yeah. Should have been in the last lesson, right?
Yeah. I was trying to see if it was in here at all.
Let's see. So I'm downloading it. It's just like the categorical data analysis.
Right here. It's in this lesson too. Categorical data analysis.
In lesson 2.
In the lesson 19.
Oh, it is in lesson 19?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
It's like It's in the instructions where it says how to do it in Excel or whatever. There's a little thing. There's a little link.
I guess you could just kind of explain it to me while I look for it. I think that.
Okay, well, I'll walk you through where it's lesson 19. I'm going back because I clicked on it to download it. So it's like it's in the middle of, or it's actually in the middle of your lesson. Like you have your scroll bar on the right of your screen. Put your scroll bar pretty much in the middle.
Uh-huh.
It's when we've gotten our, well, it's all over in here. Actually, I see another spot.
In lesson 19.
19. See, right after they give you the information of like Australia, it's in section 3.
Okay.
And they've given you United States, Australia, Europe, all these different things. Scroll down to it says Excel instructions. And there it says in Excel sheet, categorical data analysis. You can click on that. You see it?
I don't have it.
In your reading, you don't have in the little blue box that says Excel instructions?
No, I don't see it. I don't have it.
Weird.
Yeah.
Should be in your reading.
Yeah, because I know like the gives you like the link, right? Like it always has before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't see it at all. But so you would just kind of just plug in the information like normal?
Yeah, so it doesn't give you any tips of how to do this in Excel.
Mm-hmm.
How to plug it into Excel. That's just weird that it's not in your text reading.
Yeah.
So what information does it give you when you're reading that third section, reasons for seeking chiropractic?
Yeah, it just gives me, I mean, all the information, then it just like the SPSS instructions, and that's it.
Well, maybe it's because you needed to go back and, I don't know, download the right one, and then it would show up.
Yeah.
Because it was lesson 17. It was in lesson 17 where you needed to download it. So go back to that one.
17. And 17. And you say I would download.
I'm going to go there and see if I can find where it says. Okay. Trying to remember what he said in his video. There's a spot where it says to download it. I don't know, I'm just seeing links everywhere, like even in lesson 18.
Yeah.
Down at the very bottom, it says things to remember.
You didn't download anything else like besides SPSS and this Excel sheet?
No, I didn't, but he just said that he said, use this, open this one, do not open this one. If you, when he was doing the computer, doing his video, I did it right when he was talking, so I would get the right one open.
Okay.
Trying to get it open to lesson 17 here. Okay. Seemed like he said it was in section 4 of it.
Section 4.
Like when you're doing 4.2. Using Excel to perform these calculations.
So on
Can you
that
see
link,
that?
yeah.
So you need to do the Excel one.
So it's just the one that's right there.
Yep. But then it opens up to another page.
And hit the categorical data analysis again.
I think so. I'm going to click on it and see.
Yeah.
So can you open it? Does it show anything?
I opened it, but it gives me the same thing.
Well, I might have told something different. So, wonder if you opened up the Excel spreadsheets. I don't know. I think I don't know if it changed or something later, because I think the whole class had a hard time opening it. And this girl made a video of how to open the right one,
Yeah.
because it wasn't working for everybody.
Yeah. I guess I'll just check it out. Yeah, we can go on. I can figure it out, I guess. Yeah, don't worry about it.
I don't know. That's weird because because I just did it. I just opened it and it has the cheese square on it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I just
Weird.
downloaded it again. That's weird.
Yeah.
Maybe my computer is different and it's compatible. I don't know.
I can check it out later.
Okay. Well, we'll just do the test then, because basically it gives you um, the p-value and the degrees of freedom.
Mm-hmm. And so all you do is you just put in the numbers. That's it.
Yep, just how it is on your information on your table that they give you.
So you
Except
just
for,
put.
but you don't put in your total. Like if you've got the quiz open,
Yeah.
it's got Republican, Democrat, Independent. You don't put in your total because they already do that. They already.
So you just put 250, 50,
200.
120, and 80.
Yeah, for that preparation assignment. But like
Yeah.
on the quiz, do you have the quiz open?
Oh, no, let me. Uh, okay. So you would just put it in exactly how it is on there?
Well, not exactly. Because see how they've got the totals already figured out?
Yeah.
You don't put in the totals because they'll already figure that out for you.
Yeah,
You just
yeah.
put in,
The Republican, Democrat, and Independent.
yeah.
So you don't do
So I
neither of the column total nor the other total?
Nope, because they calculate it already for you.
Okay.
All you need is just your counted numbers. That's all you need. It's just the information you gathered, and they've got it all set up so that it will do the calculations for you. So that's the only thing you're going to put in this whole deal is just that data. So
All
I'm
right.
putting it in right now. I'm putting 250 in column 1 and 200 in column 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm putting 300 and 150 in column 2.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And then 15, 15, column 3.
yes.
And then what do you hit to kind of calculate her?
Okay, and so I just put 50 in that last column.
Mm-hmm.
It's given me numbers already. It's given me a test statistic and the degrees of freedom and the p-value. But I have to move my little cursor and just click somewhere else. It doesn't matter where. So it can finish. Because it's like I've just entered in the information. It's like, okay, push enter. So I just have to move my little thing.
Yeah.
Click somewhere else so it can finish tallying it up.
Okay.
Because that's what I did wrong the last time. Because I didn't let it finish. Okay, so, and then it shows you, there's a box that shows, it says expected counts, and you just have to make sure that they're all greater than 5. which they
Yeah.
are. So we meet the requirements. Anyway, so what is our questions here? So I've entered that in.
So, yeah, okay.
To know
So,
the hypothesis. So the two categories are gender and parties and
yeah.
voting preferences. So it would be the first one, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, for what is the equation for comparing the degrees of freedom? So it's number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1.
Yeah. Okay, so
And
they've
so
already
okay, yeah.
so they've already got the total. The degrees of freedom is 2.
Okay. Are the requirements for conducting a X2 test for independence met by this data set? You said yes.
Moving on. Okay. Okay, but there's 3 yeses. There are 5 observed counts in at least one cell, but there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. Remember what it was supposed to be?
I think it's yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Okay, turn the TV. Turn it. Do you see that in your reading?
Let me see.
Okay, just a minute. You gotta push the top button.
It says each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
Okay, so each one. Okay.
What is the value of the test statistic for this problem?
Okay, do it. Do you know how to do it? Push it again, the top button. Okay. Trying to get to the right spot here. Again? No. Go see more. Okay. Sorry.
That's fine.
It is. Liam, just a minute. Trying to take care of my kids here. Okay. It is 16.20. But tell me real quick. I want to make sure I've got all the numbers right. So column 1 was, do you see the data there?
Yeah.
Okay, so column 1 was 250 and 200. Column 2 was 300 and 150. Column 3 was 50 and 50.
Yeah.
Okay, so the test statistic is 16.20.
Okay. So what is the value of the p-value for this problem?
Okay, and I think it was 0.000. Let me look. It's 0.003. So if you round into the 3 decimal places, it's 0.000.
0.000?
So we reject the null. So there is sufficient evidence.
Or not independent.
Yeah. So it'd be the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you look at that, the data there, and tell me what it is and I'll put them in. So
Okay,
what's column one?
it's 62, 84, 85,
Hang on, 84,
and 85.
85. Is there more?
No.
Okay, what's column two?
61, 70, and 97.
77?
97.
Oh, 70 and then 97.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the third one?
It's 72, and 75, and then 82.
Is there a fourth one?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute.
It's 64, 82, and 111.
64, 72,
82,
82.
and 111.
Yeah, go turn the TV down. Go turn your movie down. Hurry. Hang on just a second. I gotta turn down his movie. Okay. So I have 62, 84, 85, 61, 70, 97, 72, 75, 82, 64, 82, and 111.
Yeah, and there's one more.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. It's 142, 170, and 178.
So 142, 170, 178.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's asking,
So the conditions for conducting a chi-square test for independence are satisfied. True.
okay. What is the correct choice of degrees of freedom for this problem? And it has 8.
Okay. What is the value of the test statistic for this problem?
They have 89.66.
And what is the value of the p-value for this problem?
Okay. 0.000.
Okay. The following statements best describes the outcome of this study. So, we reject the null. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that self-care is the best reason for visiting a chiropractor. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of location. That one.
The last one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think we're done.
think so.
Wait a minute. 72, 72, 75, 82. I was just making sure I've got double checking all my numbers. Okay. Okay, so the first two is true, and then number 3 is the first one. Number 4 was the last one. Number 5 was 2. Number 6 was the second to last one, the yes, 5 in each cell. 7 was 16.20. 8 was 0.000. 9 was the first one. 10 was true. 11 was 8. 12 is 89.66. And then the next one is 0.000. And then the last one.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, wow. We got
Great.
all the last 3.
Oh crap. It's my fault.
Why?
I didn't. You always have to click your cursor somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
I enter in my last thing and then just leave it.
Okay.
Because the p value is 49.490.
For the p-value?
Yeah, so it was high.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
test statistic was 7.44.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, make sure when you do that, because it seems like in our other ones you didn't have to move it.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, we know how to do it all. That was technical error. You would have got 100. So how did you do your homework on that if you don't have that program?
I just did it on SPSS.
Oh.
But what I noticed is that it's a lot easier to do it on that program.
Okay.
Yeah, because kind of on SPSS you'll have to create your own table and do it. So that's why at first I was confused. I was like, wait, what? And then
because just put the
yeah,
numbers in. It's
yeah,
already
because
there.
that's why. And I was confused. I wasn't sure. And then I noticed that I guess there's the cheat square tab, but I guess I don't have it, so that's why I was confused of what was going on. But
so
yeah, I'll figure that out. Sorry about that.
That's okay. He said he said this way is really, really easy, and it is. You just have to remember to click your stupid cursor away.
Yeah, I'll have to look into that then.
You could have got that right.
All right. All right, well.
Okay, did you check your emails? Have we had anything yet?
Oh, yeah, he sent an email. Let me pull it up. Yeah, he sent an email with some things that we needed to correct. So I don't know if you want to check it and just kind of look over it. Because he put things that we need to correct.
Okay. Well, I'll look over it and we'll fix it.
Yeah, we can again just Probably just give each other a call or something and fix it that way.
Well, we probably, yeah, I didn't look at it. I was going to look at it this morning, but didn't. But we need to get it probably submitted earlier this week and then submit it again
Yeah.
just in case we do it again so we can
Mm-hmm.
start collecting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Well, we'll talk to you next time.
All right. Sounds good.